Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set a different speaker volume of each of your videos in the CapCut mobile. So here I have three videos on my CapCut I've already imported, and I want to set a different set of volume on my videos. So what you need to do is just, let's say, click on the first video and go to volume. Here just set it as you like. For example, I'm going to make it louder. So if you want to make it different for all of the video, what you need to do is don't click on the loudness adjustment. So let's click on a check icon. Now just do the same for the second clip. Click on a clip, go to volume, and set the volume like this. Click on a check icon and you are done. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.